Ever wonder if someone is snooping on your Mac while you are connected to the public Wi-Fi? In this video, I'll show you how to enable stealth mode on macOS, a hidden gem that helps hide your Mac from network scanners, hackers, and even nosy neighbors on the same network. But before we make your Mac disappear digitally, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and turning on the bell icon for more Mac tips. Now let's get started. So to enable stealth mode in macOS, we are going to click on the system settings. Okay, in the older versions of Mac, it's system preferences. Okay, so I'll click on the system settings, and then I'll click on network, and then we are going to turn the firewall on. Okay, we are going to make it active, so I'll click on the side arrow, and then I'll toggle the firewall to be active. Then I'll click on the options beneath the firewall, and then this is where we can enable the stealth mode. Okay, so I'll toggle the stealth mode to be enabled. So you see, don't respond to or acknowledge attempts to access this computer from the network by test applications such as ICMPs. Okay, so when you ping this machine, you will see this machine on the network because of the stealth mode enabled. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this quick tutorial, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more Mac tips. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.